I'm going to make a video of what a construction zone looks like when you're getting ready to move. That's what I'm making a video of.
This is nothing.
I will say that the kitchen's coming along rather nicely. We've got a refrigerator that works in it. We've got a sink and a beautiful new faucet. We've got new lighting, and that's where the skylight's going to go. But we had some rain damage. We got our stove placed. It's also white. That silly little electric heater over there is just temporary for warmth. And then we've been working back here, texturing and preparing and repairing the walls in the laundry room. That's been quite a feat. This is the front bedroom, and the ceiling is painted, and the walls are not yet painted. But I think that will happen in this next week or so. And then this has become, the bathroom too. We're going to move in to this room and the bathroom and continue to finish the house while we live here. And then this room is turned into the tool room. Yeah, quite the chaotic zone, but it is coming together.